Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Imagen to generate image for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to visit Google AI Studio. You can visit this website aistudio.google.com, and then you're going to choose generate media menu or option right here, and then you can choose Imagen. Okay, and here guys, you can choose the aspect ratio and also the number of results and also the output resolution, and I'm just going to leave it like that. And for the image that I want to create, I have already asked ChatGPT to make a prompt for me. Okay, wait, I'm going to go back to the Google AI Studio, and then I'm going to paste my description here, and then we can click on run, and the AI will generate an image for us. Okay, and it's really cool guys, and it's completely free, and this is the result. This is the prompt. Okay, and if you cannot make the prompt, I recommend you to ask ChatGPT to make a prompt for you, so the AI can generate the best image for you according to your prompt. And if you want to download, you can click on this download icon, and then the image will be saved to your device. Going to save it, and yeah, now it's done. The image has been saved to my device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use Imagen for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.